Hi everyone. The CDC is now recommending that everyone wear face masks when they're out and about, like when you're getting groceries. But we know that there is a worldwide shortage of face masks that we typically would use in the hospital. So I'm going to show you how to very simply make your own. So to start, all you need is two things. A piece of square fabric. In this case, I'm using a bandana, but you can use a big napkin or a handkerchief and an old pillowcase. And any two elastics. In this case, I'm just using ones that come with a pint of blueberries. You take your square piece of fabric and you're going to fold it into thirds. So you've got a rectangle. And then you take your elastics, one on one end and one on the other, so that you have the shape like a candy. And you take one side and you fold it in, and the other side and you fold it in. So you're left with a face mask shape. Now, the reason why this is important is because many people with COVID have no symptoms at all. They may not be coughing or have fever or any real significant symptoms, but you could still be passing it on through your droplets. So if I'm wearing a mask, even if I have COVID, my droplets won't be leaving my face, my nose, and my mouth. And similarly, if you have COVID, even if you're asymptomatic and you cough or sneeze, your droplets won't leave you and potentially touch me. So in a grocery store, for example, if you're coughing or sneezing or touching your face and you touch other products and there's COVID in those droplets, you're at risk of passing those on to other people. But if you're wearing a mask, those droplets are going to stay with you. So simple. Now you have your own homemade face mask. This here loop here. Here a loop here. And there you have it. You're protected. You're protecting yourself from other people and other people from you. Stay healthy and safe.